So some of you may know that April 22nd is Earth Day, a day where we can all appreciate the beauty that is Mother Earth, and a day where we also can reevaluate what the heck we're doing, and it's time to make some changes. So I've got some tiny lifestyle changes that are student friendly that can have a massive impact on the environment. So the first thing is to cut down on non-recyclable plastics. These are one of the biggest causes of pollution at the moment. You've probably heard of coffee shops and restaurants ditching the non-recyclables. It's as simple as buying a reusable bottle instead of the single-use plastic ones. This is just mine, this is from Sainsbury's, but you can literally buy them for cheap anywhere. As students, we use a hell of a lot of plastic straws, so swapping out the plastic ones for a reusable metal one can have a massive impact. So other ways to swap out non-recyclable plastics is using a canvas or reusable shopping bag instead of plastic bags. When you go shopping, try and buy loose items rather than pre-bagged or ones that you put into a bag. You can also buy bamboo toothbrushes that are decomposable instead of the non-recyclable plastic ones. This is one nobody likes to hear. Reducing your meat intake, or preferably cutting it out completely. The meat and dairy industry is one of the leading causes of deforestation, so cutting down on your meat intake or completely eliminating it will have a massive impact on not only the environment but your health as well. And there are often loads of brilliant veggie and vegan alternatives to your meat-based recipes online, suitable for students on a student budget. Staffs also offers a reward card in their food outlets, so if you buy 5 meat-free meals, you get your 6th for free. And I mean, who doesn't love free food? So these are just a list of some mega easy, mega quick changes you can make in your life. Turn the lights off when you're not in the room. Turn plugs off when they're not in use. Use a washing line instead of a dryer when possible. Recycle anything you're able to. And turn off the taps when you're brushing your teeth. So those are just some small changes that can have a massive impact in the earth and make it a better place. Thanks for watching.